Flakes time. He popped out of nowhere. I didn't even know he was in my house. We're having sugar. So what we're doing today is we're making a cake. This is the most hardest recipe in the Ames Bakes. And by the way, today our favorite part is a German cake. It's and also sugar. It has sugar and chocolate.
Right.
It's so good. Good, you want to try? Really good? I know the best. We are making my sweetie's favorite cake, a German cake. Chocolate cake. Let's start baking. We're gonna preheat the oven to I have no idea what we're saying. First step is to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Next step, grease your cake grounds butter. Now we have to sift together your sugar, your flour, your cocoa powder, your baking powder, your baking soda, and salt. Now we're gonna whoa, Christopher, it's okay. It's okay. To slow motion. Okay, now let's scoop another one. Be careful. Wow! Mom, you see how smooth that is? Now after you're done sifting your flour, take a whisk and gently mix together. Once you're done with that, set your dry mixtures aside. Mixer, not mixer. Mixer. Now it's time to combine your wet ingredients like egg, vanilla, and oil and milk. Let's do the eggs first. Christopher, you want to try one? Crack it. Whoa! You have to do it carefully. Well, last time, one of my Ames Bakes, I actually poured some of the stuff on this side. And that was not good. Keep on whisking, keep on whisking, keep on whisking, keep on whisking. Now it turns into milk, and that's how you make milk. No, we're not making milk, we're making cake. Seriously. Now it's time to add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients. But that bowl is very full. There's floaters in the toilet. What? There's floaters. Use the hand mixer to stir it all up. And it's going to look like a tornado, like this. Ready? Okay, guys. See, I told you, it's just like a tornado. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear sweetie. Happy birthday to you. My favorite thing about sweetie is everything. Yeah, everything. It's chocolate. A giant fingernail. I'm gonna eat it. Yeah. Okay, so I have a giant fingernail too, and I'm gonna eat it. So good. That water is like near to 1,000 degrees, so it could burn your hand off. Never try this at home, kids. To activate your cocoa, you mix in hot water, like really hot water. So you mix a little bit of the water in, and a little bit at the time when the hand mixer is on. Are you ready? Set! It's gonna be a major tornado. Daddy sauce. This is the best. The mega of all Ames Bakes. Next, split your mixture evenly between your two cake pans. And then bake it. Oh, I remember. For 25 to 30 minutes. Let's do it. Our cakes are done baking. So while they cool, we're going to make our frosting. The first step, we're gonna clean together our butter and cream cheese. Okay, I'm going to cream it till it's smooth. I need earmuffs. Now it's smooth. We have to mix some of these. Cocoa butter and some coconut powder sugar and vanilla. It can be in any order, by the way. Mix it up together. It's gonna be a long time. Let's share this with my brother Lincoln. Lincoln! Huh? Yummy, yummy. Now we fold in our chopped pecans. Do you want to pour it in? Sure. Our cakes are still cooling, but we made a little cake. We're going to try right now after we put the best parts on. Let's eat it! Yeah, cut it. Let's dig in. Let's see how we dig in. Like this. I'm already a mess. Sweetie's gonna love this. Well, I love Sweetie because she helps us with crafts and buys us toys at the dollar store. I love Sweetie because I love everybody in the hotel life. I love Sweetie because she always takes us on really, really fun boat rides, and we sometimes